7 quick overlays for staircase treads. A full hardwood stair tread overlay system includes form-fitted tread covers and matching, or painted, riser boards. Both pieces attach directly to the original wood staircase, after any carpeting or other finished flooring has been removed. The best systems use 100% hardwood materials, resulting in the look of traditional hardwood stairs. Laminate stair treads and risers are the engineered wood version of hardwood stair cover systems. They offer a lower-cost alternative to hardwood with a similar look. Laminate systems often are sold in sets and may or may not include riser boards. Rubber stair mats are similar to the familiar heavy, perforated, rubber doormats but are sized for individual stair treads, and they have a more decorative look. Their primary purpose is to add slip resistance to wet or icy outdoor stairs. They also work well for basement stairs, deck stairs, and garage steps. Composite tread covers are made of compression molded fiberglass and resin. They cover the entire tread, including the nosing, to provide excellent slip resistance. They can be installed over concrete, metal, or wood, using construction adhesive or screws. Carpet stair treads or covers are slightly smaller than a standard stair tread and attached to the treads using hook and loop Velcro strips. Half of each strip is stuck to the tread, the other half is attached to the underside of the carpet tread. Clear, non-slip strips are a plastic material with a sticky backing that you apply directly to hardwood stair treads. They provide slip resistance without obscuring the wood. Unless you are a carpet installer, it is difficult to curl ordinary carpet over the nose of a stair. Since the carpet is so stiff, it keeps wanting to uncurl. This product solves that problem. The front section is pre-curled and easily snaps over the stair nose. The rear part of the overlay may or may not be secured with peel and stick adhesive. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.